Hey everybody, it's Neil. I want to show you all what I have here. This is a backpack beach chair. So let me get it out of the box here and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Pull it out here. So this is it here. Everything's out of the box. Box is empty there. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a good weight to it. It's not heavy or anything like that. Let me just move my iPad and see if I can open it up. And I'll show you all how it is. It's not the best day outside today, otherwise I'd be showing you outside, but I will be taking this with me as I go to pools and beaches and whatnot. So you have a handle up top, so you can hold it this way. It's got the strap right here, so it's not gonna open up on you. And I can see right now, it's starting to open up a little bit, so I can just do that. And then here's the backpack straps. So let's give this thing a try and see if it's actually, wow. I thought for sure I was gonna feel all these bars and it was not gonna be comfortable at all, but it's great. I don't even feel it. This one here, I should have probably closed this up in it, but you get the idea. I mean, if I'm going to the beach and I'm carrying stuff, my cooler and this and that and everything else, having this on my back, handy dandy, perfect. Okay, so let's see actually if it's any comfortable to sit in. So let's see what we got here. Sorry, this arm doesn't work very well. But okay, so let's see. I unclip it there, and then we have a chair here. Ooh, it's a recliner too. Okay, so let's put it down here on the floor, and I will aim y'all down into the corner here. Hopefully you can see everything. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna move you guys onto the side here, and there we are. Okay. So there we are. Here's my chair sitting up here. I guess these straps, just tuck them under here for right now, and let's sit in it and show y'all what we got. It's great. It's tight here. I'm surprised. It's good. It's a very solid chair. Okay, so on this side here we have a pouch which is insulated. It's got this plastic insulation in it, so you can put something that would stay cold in there. That would be nice. Let's see, we have this side here has a pouch to put our drink in, which is kind of cool as well. So that's good. And ooh, look at that. We have a bottle opener if you're drinking bottled stuff. And then we have a handle spot here. I guess that's where people were holding it. But it's got wood handles. This is like a nice looking chair. So you've got this, so I could be sitting here on the beach. You're definitely sitting low. You're not sitting up like a high beach chair. It's definitely a low sit. So you'll be close to the sand, which is cool. I mean, if you're at the beach, that's good. So let's keep going here. I'm gonna move it up a little because I saw the other feature here. So I think we pull it up and then, okay. So this is as straight as it gets. You can see right there, that's me being straight up. And then I can pull this up and go back. And I hit down there. We can go maybe like that and lay down, catch some rays, doing it this way here. It's good. Oh, it's cushy. Feels good. So there, I could be sitting there catching some rays with it reclined. And then I think it reclines even more. Is that going to be practically on the ground? I'm not sure. Oh, I do not like that at all. Oof, my head, I get dizzy. So this is as far reclined as Neil will ever get. I mean, if you don't get dizzy, you can do it another way. But look at this. It slides around so easy on my hardwood floor. But you get the idea. But look at this. This is a nice chair. So, and that it's low, you don't really need a footrest because your feet are just on the ground and it's laying out straight. So this is a good chair. Let's see. It looks stylish enough. So let's see how hard it is to put it away now. So if we're done. We fold it up like that, and then fold it up like that. And then I think the idea would be to put these somehow, fold these in. Yeah, if I fold these into this, then as I clip it up there, yeah, there we go. Now, if I wear it, that piece doesn't flop out anymore because it's tucked away in there. That's it. Super easy to do. You saw it come together in a second. And then you got the handle here. Oh, and look at that on the back of the chair too. Storage. Oh, sweet. If I just fold up a towel and just keep it in there and always have a towel with me because I always forget a towel. So that'll be good to always have that. I'm just gonna keep this in the back of the car, ready for the beach anytime. So super cool, thumbs up totally for me. Pick up one of these here. Here's a picture of it there. 5 posture. Oh, here was the instructions for it. Let's see if I missed any piece of it. I think I pretty much got it all correct. Yeah, you can kind of see there. If you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in, but I don't think I messed anything up. So we are good. So I'm gonna say that is a super cool chair. Thumbs up from me. Very nice.